Okay, now.
That moved a lot.
That's good.
I'm sure we've all walked into a gym somewhere and seen the weightlifting equipment completely packed up. But then when you look over to where people are engaged in cardiorespiratory activity, you'll notice that there aren't so many people. We often comment how people say, wow, he's in good shape, or she's looking good, she must be in good shape. But the ability to lift a lot of weight does not necessarily denote good health. It's quite a misnomer, considering that most experts will agree that cardiovascular activity is most important. So let's begin by defining cardiorespiratory exercise. It's defined as the ability of the body to perform prolonged, large muscle, dynamic exercise at moderate to high levels of intensity, achieved by raising the heart rate for sustained periods of time, most likely 20 minutes. Some good examples of cardiorespiratory exercise are running, riding a bike, playing racquetball, playing basketball, or even martial arts through kickboxing or karate. So now that we're familiar with cardiovascular exercise, let's look at some health benefits associated with a high level of cardiorespiratory fitness through exercise. Now there's a Duke study out there that says that regular exercise not only cures depression, but it cures depression as effective as prescription pharmaceutical medications. And there's also a study out there that shows that regular cardiorespiratory exercise significantly reduces your risk of cardiovascular disease, such as heart problems, strokes, heart attacks, and other diseases that would affect your blood flow. Additionally, there's a clinical study that says that the increased blood flow to vital areas of the brain not only improves brain function, but also brain cognition, which is also a benefit for college students. It's also well known that regular exercise that exercise your cardiorespiratory cardiovascular system helps in recuperation and recovery of injuries. And now that we've seen all the benefits of healthy cardiovascular and cardiorespiratory system, let's review target heart rate and how to use them to exploit your exercise to the maximum benefit. And target heart rate is actually defined as the range of heart rates at which exercise yields benefits. To determine your target heart rate, you need to get your pulse and your age and compare it to a target heart rate chart that can be found anywhere on the internet and usually anywhere within a gym that you will be exercising. Some important things to note while engaging to get to your target heart rate is to never go straight to that heart rate. It's very dangerous and very bad for your health. You never want to exceed that heart rate, and once you've completed your at least 20 minutes of that exercise, you need to take 10 to 15 minutes to cool down so your heart rate can return to normal. So as we discussed, cardio could be the most important aspect of healthy living. To know the benefits and utilize target health rate, you can reap the benefits of a little sweat and a little blood and a little hard work. Today I gave a brief insight into the methods and benefits of cardiorespiratory exercise and health. Next time you go to bump those biceps or cut on those triceps, maybe you'll look over at that cardio equipment and think, hey, arterial plaque is kind of crappy. Maybe I'll give this a spin.